Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD screen display on the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic card pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and then take out the mid-frame by undoing 15 screws from the top and bottom sections. Next, disconnect the fingerprint plug. And also make sure the SIM tray is out. And then, using a plastic card pry tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around the edges to disengage the plastic clips. Next, disconnect the battery plug and main ribbon plug. Next, disconnect the LCD plug on the bottom. Next, apply some heat to the charging port board. Next, gently lift the board using a tweezer or something similar. And then take out the logic board by releasing the antennas from the frame. Next, apply some heat to take out the earpiece module. Next, apply heat and take out the vibrator motor from the body. Next, take out the button flex by applying some heat. Next, take out the battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. Now, the only remaining part is a broken front screen assembly with the frame. There are few different screen types available for replacement. The most common is the original service pack screen, which comes with the frame and buttons. There is another type, it is original but without the frame, but the repair is a bit difficult and time consuming. Also, there are refurbished, used, aftermarket screens with the frame and without. Furthermore, the price difference between with the frame and without is not that big. I recommend you go with the screen with the frame installed. It can be original, refurbished, used or aftermarket, and this type is commonly available to purchase. Next, on the new screen frame, start placing remote parts. First, place the vibrator motor in the frame. Next, place the earpiece. Next, place the button flex. Next, place and secure the logic board and charging board in the body. Ensure the placement and secure both antennas on the frame. Next, secure the LCD connector on the charging board. Next, place the battery with adhesive. Next, fasten the main flex and battery plugs. Next, place the mid frame in the body by securing 15 screws from the top and bottom sections. Next, secure the fingerprint plug. Next, before closing the device, it is good to verify the functionality by powering up the device. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide on Samsung Galaxy A32 5G mobile phone. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.